Okay, so turning on your Time Master Pro, this is how easy it is. First of all, what you want to do is you want to click on your power button, and that is going to show you that it's blinking various levels. You can see that little light going up and down. Now it's off. Now watch it go on. See the top little light? Now it's at the second level, third level, fourth level. Really start here at your top level. Then this next button down is going to give you the light settings. So if you click it like that, you've got your multi-light, your blue light, your green light, your red light, and your flashing multi. Okay, so that's as easy as it is to work with this Time Master Pro machine. Now it's off. So those are your levels to work with. Again, what you want to do is you want to turn it on, choose your setting, and then choose your light level. Now, it doesn't buzz or whir or hum or make any noise at all, so you might think it's not actually working, but when you place it up to your face, again with conductive gel and with the mist, then you will feel it working.